What is luxury? Lancia rewrites the script. We say, luxury should no longer be about being the biggest. It should be refined, concentrated, distilled into its purest form. Taste should no longer be created by a display of extravagance. But by knowing what you should never leave out. Luxury should no longer be an inheritance. It should come in an unexpected dimension. Luxury for all, anywhere. Elegance is not found by following trends. It should invite you to leap and enjoy the chance of comfort you deserve to feel. Pride is not the right to self-admiration. Life's greatest luxury is sharing it with those you love. Desire frees it from the cold, reconforms it from its mere calculation, liberates it from being a symbol. New Lancia, luxury liberated.